Hi guys, Tony here from IK Autos. Today I have a Seat Leon in with me, and the customer's complaint is that there's no heat coming from the vents. I've had the car running here for a while. As you can see, we're starting to warm up, so there should be plenty of heat in the heater matrix. And currently on high heat you're getting 22 degrees, which is nowhere near what should be putting out of those vents. I've turned the settings down. We're on high across both. Put that up a wee bit, see if it makes any difference. So there's the faintest little bit of hot air coming through, but it's not what it should be. That should be a lot higher. And I just thought I'd give you a heads up on how you can test it with one of these wee digital thermometers. Pretty handy wee bit of kit. I think it's £12 or something off eBay or Amazon. But just let you see how I go about diagnosing this. So what I'll do is go under the bonnet and see the heater hoses and see what's happening. Alright, so underneath the bonnet, hopefully you can hear me. Shine the wee laser down onto the heater matrix pipe going in. We've got 43 degrees, 45 degrees. The lower one, we're at 54 degrees, so you can see there it's pretty good temperature overall. And you should be able to get similar to that out of the vents, to those temperatures. Okay, so there's a wee bit of a difference in temperature, but not much on those two pipes into the heater matrix. So the next place we want to look is inside the car. Alright, so on the passenger side of the vehicle, this is a right-hand drive car. I've removed this panel. There's a torque screw, just goes in here, 20 torque, and then you basically pull off along all these poppers and the panel sort of comes down and out at you. It's pretty easy to remove. But just here is the heater matrix. They'll be connected to these two hoses above. So they should be both in the 50 degree region. So let's just see if I hit on the laser there. Down inside the car is only 21 degrees, and the other one on the way out is slightly higher, 24 degrees. Okay, so the heater matrix here, try and get these both in shot, is about 24 degrees. So realistically the heater should be putting the same 50 degrees down these two hoses, running through the heater matrix, which is here, and then out the other hose. What I think's happening is, what I know's happening is, the heater matrix is blocked, and what's happening is it's not allowing the water to circulate down through the radiator and back out. The fact that you've got 50 degrees at the dash and you've got 20 degrees down here means that there's not an easy flow. Okay, so the results of this test is going to let you see whether you need a heater matrix. Now these are really prone to doing it. They block up, sludge up, and the heat just can't go through them. So you see there, you're only getting 27 degrees. That should be up in the 50s. If you're only getting 20 degrees here, makes sense why you're only getting 20 degrees at the vents. So that should be a lot hotter. That should be up in the 50s by this point. And you should be able to get heat through that. So what we'll do is, I'm going to order a new heater matrix, and what we will hopefully do is split this out, maybe do a video on it and rebuild it, but we'll see what happens.